How to turn on background blur on Microsoft Teams in mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Microsoft Teams background blur on Android. Let's just get started. First thing first, open up Teams, and then from here, all you have to do is start a meeting. So you can do that by going over to any chat over here. So I'll just tap on the new chat option at the bottom, and it's going to ask you to find your contacts. I'll just leave it later. Tap on your chat, and then you can just tap on the meeting to start it. So from here, go ahead and tap on Meet Now or Join, and then you can easily find the Change Background option at the top. Tap on it, and you can find different options. The first one is without any background. You can have other backgrounds like these ones here as well. And the second option you see here is the background blur. So just go ahead and tap on blur, and you should be able to blur your background. You can do that after joining the meeting as well. So I'll just tap on join now. Once you've joined the meeting, tap on the three dots at the bottom, go to change background, and just select blur from here. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.